Hello friends. HARP technology, also known as High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, is a research program that is funded by the United States Air Force, Navy, and the University of Alaska. The purpose of the research is to study the ionosphere, which is a layer of the Earth's atmosphere that is located between 60 and 1,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The ionosphere plays an important role in the transmission of radio waves, and it is also responsible for the appearance of the northern lights, or aurora borealis. HARP technology uses a powerful transmitter to send high-frequency radio waves into the ionosphere. The radio waves heat up the ionosphere, which causes it to expand and create a kind of artificial lens. This lens can be used to reflect radio waves back to Earth, allowing scientists to study the ionosphere and the effects of solar activity on it. Although HARP technology has the potential to be a valuable tool for scientific research, there are concerns about its safety and potential dangers. Some people believe that HARP technology could be used for military purposes, such as creating a weapon that could be used to disrupt or destroy enemy communications. There are also concerns that the technology could be used to manipulate the weather, or even to create earthquakes or other natural disasters. One of the main concerns about HARP technology is the potential for it to interfere with radio communications. Because the radio waves generated by HARP technology are so powerful, they can cause interference with radio transmissions and other electronic devices. This can be a serious problem for radio operators and other people who rely on clear radio communications for their work. Another potential danger of HARP technology is the effect that it could have on the ionosphere itself. Some scientists believe that the high-frequency radio waves generated by HARP technology could cause damage to the ionosphere, which could have negative effects on the Earth's atmosphere and climate. There are also concerns that HARP technology could disrupt the Earth's magnetic field, which could have serious consequences for satellite communications and other technologies that rely on the magnetic field. In addition to the potential dangers of HARP technology, there are also concerns about the lack of transparency surrounding the research program.